With me. This is my family.
This is my family.
My father, John,
My father John
is 40 years old.
is 40 years old.
He is a teacher.
He is a teacher.
Sarah
Sarah
is my mother.
is my mother.
She is 35.
She is 35.
She is a nurse.
She is a nurse.
Gustavo
Gustavo
is my grandpa.
is my grandpa.
He is a doctor.
He is a doctor.
Ursula
Ursula
is my grandma.
is my grandma.
She is
She is
62.
62.
She is very nice.
She is very nice.
Tommy is my baby brother.